Hey, I'm back again. I got another Hallie. Another Hallie. There you go. Got another Hallie. He done got hooked. Messing with Fish on Freddy. Alex over here trying to catch up. He got 3. I got 2. He just missed a nice one, but that's how I go. I missed a few too. Finally got 2. We out here right by the bridge. Yep, the bridge, San Francisco bridge. Saturday morning. I mean, what else are you gonna do? What else are you gonna do in the Bay, Alex, right? Oh, Halibut. Might as well go halibut fishing, right? All right. It's your boy Fish on Freddy. Just enjoying the day. You enjoy your day. Remember, whatever you do, it's all under the house. I mean, it's all under the water, baby.